Have you been wondering how to naturally add omega 3 in your diet? If that's you, then you are in the right place. Welcome to the Autoimmune Wellbeing Hub. I'm Pramila Gupta, your guide to holistic health. Here we talk all about a holistic lifestyle, autoimmune conditions, and your mind-body connection. Well, omega 3 is a vital nutrient, and you should look at incorporating it in your diet if you have an autoimmune condition. This is because people with an autoimmune condition generally have gut health issues, which is referred to as gut permeability or leaky gut. So, other than supplements, what are the natural ways of adding omega 3 in your diet? Let's start with source number one: seeds, nuts, and certain oils. Flaxseed, chia seed, hemp seeds, and walnuts are all excellent sources of ALA, a type of omega 3 acid. These nutrient rich seeds and nuts, along with the oil extracted from them, are a rich source of plant based omega 3. So, now how do you incorporate them in your diet? Sprinkle ground chia seeds or flax seeds on your morning breakfast, or grind them into a smoothie, or enjoy a handful of walnuts as a snack. You can even use flaxseed oil or hemp seed oil as a dressing over your salads, or just sprinkle it over your vegetables. Moving on to source number two: seaweed and algae. Certain type of seaweed and algae like nori and spirulina contain omega-3 fatty acids, primarily in the form of ALA. These marine plants offer a unique source of omega-3. So how do you incorporate them into your diet? Add nori strips into your sushis, or blend spirulina into your smoothies, or enjoy seaweed snacks as an addition to your meals. Now let's explore source number three, which is cruciferous vegetables. Certain cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, they contain modest amount of ALA, making them a valuable addition to your omega 3 diet. While they may not be as rich a source of omega 3 as seeds or algae, but they offer many other numerous benefits, and you must consider adding cruciferous vegetables in your diet. So, how do you incorporate them into your diet again? Steam them, roast them, or stir fry them into a salad or a vegetable. These vegetables can easily be added daily into your diet for adding more omega 3 and overall health benefits. So, by incorporating these diverse sources of omega 3 rich foods, you can support your overall health and well being. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe to it for more such holistic tips. Take the first step towards vibrant health by incorporating omega 3 into your diet today. And if you are looking for reducing inflammation in your body, don't forget to join my 5-day inflammation detox workshop. The link for this is given in the description below. Thank you.